Ladies and gentlemen, we back at it again. Flies at its best, part 2. Can you see these damn things? There's 9 of them. Got a reflection here. My nephew he's kind of hungry. He just came from In-N-Out. And the young man is hailing out of Compton, California, ladies and gentlemen. Going to Granite Bay High School. Name is Sherron. Bradford. Now, what we got going on here, he said he wants to be like his big cousin, Chris Jackson. Chris made $1,100 eating flies. So this fool wants to eat 9 flies. He's been searching the house up and down, scowling to find flies, and he brought them to my attention. Let it be known, they are coming to me and asking me how much money will I give them. The people that's here to witness this is Donya Jackson. Say hey, Donya. This is going on YouTube. Little Sabella Grace, and she's on her way to eating up the paper. So we about to get this thing started. He's scooping them in his hands. He's scooping fly by fly. And look at this big green one right there, though. Look at that. Oh,
that's the king right there.
That's the king. That's a king fly.
Or a queen of boo-boo.
I'm ready.
Or queen boo-boo fly.
Coming in light.
Chew them. Don't swallow them. Just chew them. Make sure you chew them.
Watch her now.
You don't get paid if you don't chew them. In your teeth. Watch my baby.
And he got gum in his mouth?
Spit the gum out.
I ain't got no gum.
Okay. Now, hold on. Let me see. Look at those flies right there. Those tasty flies. Let's go, baby. $900. He can get a new phone. He can get some new drawers. Get a new outfit. Don't be scared. You want the money, you got to be able to do it, baby. If you spit it out, you don't get nothing.
And chewing, no swallowing.
Tell me when you're ready.
Throwing up. You throw the flies up.
Tell me when you're ready.
It's on you. I ain't doing nothing recording.
1.
You don't tell me when you're ready.
1, 2. 1, 2.
No, don't do it.
What it tastes like?
Don't. Boo-boo? You have to taste the boo-boo.
What it taste like?
Horse boo-boo.
What it taste like?
I can't even swallow it.
He can't swallow. He can't swallow.
Chew it down small. Wash it down with this.
Let me see. Oh no! Yeah. What are you gonna wash that down with?
There's some water.
You better do like saliva. Let me see. Open your mouth.
It's at the roof of your tongue.
It's like all
Mommy,
stuff all on
he
your
has some
tongue.
at the roof of his mouth. Check
You
the
got
roof of his mouth.
You gotta swallow all that.
I can't even feel it.
You gotta brush it off your teeth like. You gotta do like that.
This is nasty.
You're the one that wanted to eat a fly.
Is it gone?
No, it's still in your teeth. You gotta brush your tongue like with your teeth. There you go.
Can I call you mom?
Ladies and gentlemen,
I'm done.
he got.
I need some water.
What is it?
Episode is over with. Another one bites the dust.